Can Atticus and ProWritingAid truly be a dream team for your writing? That's the question I've been wrestling with, and if you're a writer in 2025, chances are you have too. We're bombarded with tools, each promising to revolutionize our workflow, polish our prose, and generally turn us into literary gods overnight. But the reality is, integrating these tools effectively can be a messy business. We've all been there. You invest in a fantastic writing tool, only to find it clashes with another essential piece of your software. Or worse, you end up with a convoluted workflow that adds more friction than it removes. The promise of efficiency turns into an endless loop of exporting, importing, and formatting headaches. For authors, especially those of us juggling multiple projects, deadlines, and the constant pressure to produce high-quality work, this isn't just an inconvenience. It's a productivity killer. Think about it. You've just finished a grueling writing session in Atticus, your masterpiece slowly taking shape. You've meticulously outlined, drafted, and revised. The words are there, the story flows, and you're feeling pretty good about it. But then comes the crucial step: editing. This is where ProWritingAid, with its powerful grammar checks, style suggestions, and readability reports, traditionally steps in. It's the digital red pen, catching all those pesky errors that human eyes, no matter how sharp, inevitably miss. The problem, historically, has been the seamless handoff. Do you copy and paste your entire manuscript? Do you export to a Word document and then upload? How do you ensure that all your careful formatting from Atticus doesn't get lost in translation? These are the practical hurdles that can turn a smooth writing process into a frustrating stop-and-start affair. And let's be honest, in the fast-paced world of publishing, particularly for indie authors, time is money. Every minute spent wrestling with incompatible software is a minute not spent writing, marketing, or connecting with your readers. We need tools that work with us, not against us. We need workflows that enhance our creativity, not hinder it. So, for months now, I've been experimenting. I've been testing, tweaking, and pulling my hair out trying to figure out the definitive answer to the question: does Atticus work with ProWritingAid? And if so, what's the best way to make them dance together in perfect harmony? Before we dive into the nitty-gritty of integration, let's briefly touch upon what each of these powerhouses brings to the table. Atticus, for those unfamiliar, is rapidly becoming a go-to for authors looking for an all-in-one writing and formatting solution. It's designed to handle everything from outlining your novel to generating print-ready files and ebooks. Its strength lies in its intuitive interface, robust formatting options, and its ability to keep all your book's elements organized in one place. It's like having a project manager, a word processor, and a book designer rolled into one. For many, it's replaced a clunky combination of Scrivener, Word, and various formatting tools. Then there's ProWritingAid. This isn't just a spell checker. It's a comprehensive writing coach. It goes deep into the mechanics of your prose, flagging everything from passive voice and cliché usage to repetitive wording and readability issues. It offers suggestions to improve your sentence structure, strengthen your vocabulary, and enhance the overall impact of your writing. It's like having a meticulous editor looking over your shoulder, offering actionable advice to elevate your manuscript from good to great. Its real power lies in its detailed reports, which break down your writing habits and highlight areas for improvement. On the surface, they seem like a match made in heaven. Atticus helps you write and structure your book, while ProWritingAid helps you refine and polish the language. The natural workflow would be to write in Atticus, then transfer your text to ProWritingAid for an intensive edit before bringing it back to Atticus for final formatting and export. The theoretical synergy is undeniable. But the devil, as always, is in the details. The core of the compatibility question hinges on how easily you can get your text from Atticus into ProWritingAid and then, crucially, back again without losing your formatting or introducing new errors. Here's the good news. Yes, Atticus and ProWritingAid absolutely can work together. There isn't a direct, built-in integration where you click a button in Atticus and it automatically sends your chapter to ProWritingAid for analysis, or vice versa. While that would be the ideal, seamless experience, the current reality requires a few manual steps. However, these steps are far from cumbersome, and with a little bit of setup, they become incredibly efficient. The most effective method involves leveraging Atticus's export capabilities. Atticus allows you to export your manuscript or individual chapters in several formats, including plain text, DOCX, Microsoft Word, and HTML. For ProWritingAid, the DOCX format is by far the most versatile and recommended. When you export a chapter or your entire manuscript as a DOCX file from Atticus, the formatting is largely preserved. Headings, paragraphs, italics, and bold text usually transfer over without a hitch. Once you have your DOCX file, you simply open ProWritingAid, either the desktop application or the web editor, and upload that file. ProWritingAid will then ingest your manuscript and begin its comprehensive analysis. This is where the magic happens. You can go through all the different reports, making your edits and accepting suggestions directly within ProWritingAid's interface. The beauty of using the DOCX export is that ProWritingAid understands the structure of your document, making the editing process much smoother than if you were just pasting plain text. Now, here's the crucial part: getting your edited text back into Atticus. After you've finished your ProWritingAid session, you'll save your document as a new DOCX file. Then, in Atticus, you can either replace the existing chapter content by importing the new DOCX file, or if you're working chapter by chapter, simply copy and paste the refined text from your ProWritingAid edited DOCX back into the corresponding chapter in Atticus. For entire manuscripts, replacing the chapter content is often the fastest way to go. A key tip here: if you're making substantial structural changes or adding significant new content in ProWritingAid, it's always a good idea to make a backup of your Atticus project before importing the revised DOCX. This safeguards your work in case any unexpected formatting quirks arise, though in my experience they are minimal. One common question that arises is about chapter breaks and overall book structure. When you export your entire manuscript from Atticus to DOCX, Atticus intelligently handles chapter breaks, often creating new sections or pages in the Word document. ProWritingAid understands these breaks so you can edit your book as a whole. When you bring it back into Atticus, the chapter structure remains intact, making the round trip remarkably smooth. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.